Welcome to the Dry Aging Master Class. Led by certified master chef Rich Rosendale and hosted at Forklift, Virginia, our boutique cooking school and event venue in Leesburg, Virginia. This hands-on course is designed for chefs, butchers, and culinary enthusiasts ready to master both the art and science of dry aging. You'll learn how to age not only beef, but also duck, fish, and charcuterie, along with advanced techniques like tallow aging that enhance flavor, texture, and shelf life. Chef Rosendale, trained by Michelin-starred chefs, certified master chefs, and a former Bocuse d'Or competitor, shares real-world strategies to turn this specialized equipment into a profit-driving tool for your kitchen or business. From precise fabrication to modern aging applications, this class delivers the skills and insight to take your craft to the next level. The Rosendale Collective Dry Aging Masterclass. Learn the craft, control the process, elevate the result.